everybody and welcome to a next unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the Workforce Pro from Epson. This will be my new printer. I have to change it and let's see. There seems to be an error because I don't see my video. Oh great, technique. Just a second. I think now it's back. At least I see it for now. It's a bit special because the box is so big, and I just put some paper, pink paper on the bottom to not show everything I have here on my floor. I didn't have the time to clean everything, and I wanted to unbox the video, unbox the printer now because I absolutely need it. So yeah, I ordered it on Amazon on Black Friday for 130 euros. Not that much. Normally it was 180, I think it was. It has Wi-Fi, it has auto two-sided print, front paper input, auto copy scan. And of course, what I also wanted was mobile printing. I hope you see, normally you should see that. I will first unbox it, then we will power it on later. I will then change the camera view. But for now, we just unbox it. So, here we have, of course, the different ink cartridges. You see every color is separated. We have one black, then yellow, magenta, and of course cyan, the normal colors. I see they put just a setup cartridge, so normally we can't print many pages with that. I already saw on Amazon that the cartridges are more expensive than the printer itself if I buy it in an XL version. So it's not to buy every time a new printer instead of new cartridges. So here we have the setting up the printer, there's a CD in it, install the drivers if needed, take it out, so, up. So, yeah, how to set up all the papers you always have and never need, and then of course, whoops, the CD to install the drivers, and like I said, the description. And then you see it's back to pull it to the up, but first we need to remove this styrofoam. So, very easy. And then the heavy printer. I will put it to the side. And then we can remove the box because there's nothing more in it. So, box removed. And you see nothing anymore. I will take out the printer from the plastic bag. It is in. And so we have to take just a second, everything away, that doesn't fall over the box inside. And then, as you see, many blue stickers we have to remove to get the printer to work. So I'm gonna remove everywhere. Here you have also the power supply, so I can already take this out. So, and we continue. Okay, I'm gonna remove those here first, because there are some that go to the inside. Okay, so we open here. So we can remove those. That goes to the inside. Many plastic. Also on the tray there is many plastic. So these plastics are to avoid that everything is moving around when you during the shipment. Let's say it how it is. So here also some in the tray itself there is also such a sticker to remove, and of course you need to set the size to the paper you have. So you open it. There is A4. So you have here the different sizes, so you can adjust it to the paper you use. And then you can take here. There's also still some paper, plastic strips. And then close again here, because I need to open it completely. Normally here you put the cartridges in it. So also you see the screen. I think this should be visible. Normally, yes. Yeah. Okay. Just a second. Sorry. So now we can continue because there's someone at the door. There's still some script here. And then we are putting the different cartridges in it. Maybe I need to power it on first. Yes, because the slide where the cartridges come in doesn't move. So we're going to power the device on. So as I'm well prepared, I don't find my power strip. Where it is. Okay. Again, I need to pause. Sorry. And then we're going to continue if I find my power strip. Yes. And back again. I did it very well. I put it under my paper, under my protection paper. Yeah. Very. Yeah. Let's see. It's stupid from my side. So we have here the multi-feed feeder to put the paper in when you are doing multiple copies. Then on the right side we have nothing. On the left side we don't have anything to do. And then we will see the front. And here we have a front USB. So you can load the external camera and so. And of course you should not do like I do, because you see it falls behind. But that's not a problem because Epson is very robust. And it's a bit heavy. So I got to turn it like that. I hope that's working. Here you have then the power adapter place, USB place, LAN, and you can even put a phone cable to have the fax and so on working. And here you can take out because it is a duplex device. So here you can open too, but there's nothing. Maybe you can add some other pieces, adapters later, or maybe as optional system. So you again see my head. So everything still okay, and now I'm gonna put some power on the device. I'm too excited because yeah, I hope this time this one is good. I had an HP and that was the first device. I was very disappointed. I always used HP and I was always happy with it, but the last one I had, and it was an office jet, so it was even worse for me. Because normally office jet are professional devices, but like that I wasn't happy. So, and then we need to change the language. Wait, that I can show it like that. How we gonna do that best? I will move that a bit behind and then bring down my camera. I need to find a better solution for later videos. So, and I can still go down a bit. So, bring it a bit forward and zoom a bit in. So we're gonna find a great spot too. So I hope you are viewing it like I do. And where is German? There is German. Deutsch. Because yeah, my kids also need to use it. And so I need to choose German. And then we have Luxembourg. We don't have summertime now. I want day, month, year. So that's how we use. And we are the second time, yeah, 2nd December 2024. That should be correct. At least hope. I check on my phone. Yes, I hadn't to write the date for today. Of course, I'm gonna use 24-hour system. And then we have, what time do we have now? Good question. 18:11. So he is working. During that time, I'm gonna open the cartridges because he's already asking for them. So I'm gonna open it. Maybe I can zoom back again. It's not that much viewable because I'm filming in the evening, so it's a bit low light. Maybe when I put this light here on, maybe that helps a bit. Yep, a bit. So I'm opening the cartridges. And then, did I remove the plastic? Yes. It's complicated because I have the camera at the top, so I can't see 100% what I'm doing. So here we have magenta. And then the next one. The next one is yellow. So we are putting the yellow cartridge in it. And then the last one with black. Okay, so I put the black in it. Okay, everything seems correct for me. And then we close it. And I zoom again. So now he will work a bit. He writes that it would take 5 minutes until the first initial setup is finished. So, for not letting you wait 5 minutes, I will do a pause again. And then when he is nearly finished, I'll come back. And here we go again. As you see, it's finished. So we can close. Now he's asking for the paper size. So we have an A4 and he is asking where it is in, and that's of course the tray, because you also have the manual feeder. Now he's asking for the fax. Because I don't use a fax, we can skip that. And we are on the device where you can copy, scan, fax that are oops. It's very responsive to the screen. Presets, and then we have the memory devices like USB, the cleaning, and then the settings. Where are going for the settings? You can see. Normally it should have Wi-Fi, but I'm not sure, no. If I have to go, so setting up the Wi-Fi, so WLAN, and then he will searching for the Wi-Fi router. We have many here, so. Let's see, does he recognize the 5G network from my router? No. So, you buy a brand new device and he doesn't even recognize the newer network. So I hate that. So it's not that it's a device of 10 euros, but it's a bit more. It simply doesn't recognize it. I hate that. So, and then I need to enter my password. Yes, I need it. Don't look at it. Look my hand. It's difficult to find letters I need. And I hope it's working. It'll take long. He has finished. And so it is now connected also to the Wi-Fi. And it's asking for there's new firmware for the printer, of course. And then we can there's a software Epson Connect where I can register. And here is asking for the sending the usage of the device to Epson directly. I will. It's not that I already chosen Luxembourg. Ways. It's not alphabetically. So now I hope it's finished. Can I print it? Doesn't seem. Let me check if there is a new firmware. And so I start firmware update. And then I'm gonna stop again here, because the next step will be the installation on the PC, which of course is very difficult because I have a CD and my laptop doesn't have a CD drive anymore. So I will leave the firmware update running and then I will record on the PC the next step. See you then. So, and just as I said some seconds ago, we are going to install the printer on my PC. And then, for that, we are going to the Epson page, or we can simply search for Workforce Pro WF 4820 drivers. And then you will be there. You have a direct link for the support page at Epson, and then you have here the downloads where you can find the Epson product setup. So you simply download that. Where can I put it? Where are my downloads? Where are they? And it's already finished because it's a small installer. It's web installer, so he's gonna download what he needs from the internet. So it takes a while. I have fast lines, it's very fast. My printer has finished the firmware update, by the way. So I was starting my laptop and updating OBS Studio because I didn't use it for a longer time. The firmware did its update, and you can really count about 5 to 10 minutes until it's finished. And then it's recognizing Windows 10, but I have Windows 11. Maybe it's because the laptop was on the base on Windows 10. It updated it later to Windows 11. It's an old laptop, so not old. It has 3-4 years. And yeah, you also should notice that the sound is different because of course here is now the laptop microphone, an external microphone I have. Special 360 degrees microphone for if my wife is here, so we can do that together. So, as I don't know how much he will download, it's not written. Let's see. Well, the drivers itself aren't very big. Here we have the firmwares, network. Oh, they have also software to edit photos. They are all very small, all below 50 megabyte. Here, the fax utility, of course, is the biggest. So, of course, we have the license. Like with every device, we are gonna accept it because, of course, you need to accept it to get it installed. Again, he is asking for analytics. I can activate everything because it's blocked with my AdGuard system. So for them, I'm sending the data, but in fact I don't. So now he's asking that the printer is on. Of course it's on. And then we're gonna see if he's gonna find my device. And he's downloading the drivers. I don't know. Does he? or we will see it later if he's recognizing the Wi-Fi or not. Asking the question myself, because some devices the Wi-Fi needs to get configured after the software is installed. We will see. So, what can I put in the machine? Just to see for scanning something. Oh, here. So we have something to test. And it's already installing. I could now simply skip, but if you follow my channel, I try to avoid skipping, because I want that you see how long it takes. The installation can take. So it's real time. Maybe you hear my wife in the background because she's learning with my daughters. It is possible, but I will simply shut down the microphone until the installation is finished. Now he's scanning the network to find the environment. So network, USB, I suppose he would scan too. Here we have our device. I always recommend to fix your IP address, because how should I say? It could, when you start and you get another IP address, it is possible that you get like I said, another IP, and then he won't find the device back. So what have we here? The 148. So I go and to find the 148. Here we have. So I have the MAC address, and it's a new installation of my AdGuard. So. And then WF4820. It has an extension, or I can't remember. I suppose there's an extension. No, WF4820. So now my other device needs to get fixed. So at least he will always get this IP address. So I will never get the issue with which I always, which I often have with customers that didn't fix, and then the printer rebooted and got another IP address, so they couldn't scan anymore. Because the driver needed to find it back, and it sometimes took hours. Yeah. So I will stay with this. It's not fixed on the device, it's simply fixed over the DHCP server, which you normally have in your router. I have it like you see with my AdGuard. AdGuard is filtering my devices, so many pages are blocked to not collect data. And malware is blocked, some advertisements are blocked, not all. Because I was like those on YouTube, you can't block them as easy as the others. And but I also want to support the who are doing these videos. Like you see, my videos, there is no advertise because I don't do money with my videos, but others are living from their videos, and so you should support them by watching these 5, 10, 15 seconds of advertisement. So, and then we can going to continue and wait. I will switch down the microphone again. And we are now on the system check. I don't know what he's doing. Admit, I have no idea. Because normally he's checking before installing. Because else he wouldn't know what to install. Now, let's see. Und dann geht's weiter. Hier kann man dann noch zusätzliche Programme auswählen, installieren. Ich installiere einfach mal alles. Ich habe hier einen Platz. Und ja, und ich bin mich interessiert, was die so von Programmen mitliefern und installieren. Und dann bin ich mal gespannt. Some way. I thought it was faster because the installation files are very small. It can take very long. Okay, I device is 3-4 years old, but it's not that slow. It's an i7 is the 8th generation, 16 GB RAM, so it should be fast for my impression. Let's close. It's finished. So I'll print the test page, which you won't see, but I will see it. And continue. So. Doesn't look that bad. So we're gonna register our device. I will do that later. And Einrichtung abgeschlossen. So we have finished installing it, and okay, just remove all that. I don't like the icons. And where is Epson scan? That will be the last test we are going to do. So Epson scan. So we're going to do a preview. Wow. We should put it in automatic because it's color. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. Can I? Where's my zoom? I want to have it bigger. Zoom it in. You will scan it if I zoom it. Okay, why not? For a simple paper I got at a rail station, it's not that bad. Okay, so the scanner is working too. So we have finished. So for me it's just again continuing to set up with registering my device. And for you, I say goodbye. Have a nice evening, weekend or whatever. And we will hear us in the next video. Bye bye.